Hi, my name is Travis Austin,
And this is Nathan Kurtz.
and we work with the New Boundary Technologies Support Department. Today, we're going to talk about Prism Suite, particularly the Prism Asset Management components. Also, we're going to talk about PSID and what that might mean in Asset Manager. Nathan?
So, what is the PSID? The PSID is the Prism Software Identification Database. And that is what we use when performing a software inventory of a machine to determine what applications are installed on that machine.
So Nathan, how do I know what PSID I'm running?
So, to check what version of the PSID you are currently using, under Channel Properties and Asset Management, the version number for the PSID that you are using is listed at the top. The critical section of the PSID is the second numeral section, in this case 07, meaning that this PSID was released in July. The last section of the .1 means that this was the first revision release in the month of July. Additionally, approximately every 6 weeks is when we release an update to the PSID.
Nathan, how does New Boundary Technology know what to update the PSID with?
So there are two different ways that we learn of software to add into the PSID. First is just general software release information that we know about from companies such as Adobe or Microsoft. The other method is information about software that we are provided by our customers, that we have a process that our customers can use to send us information about software that they would like to see added to the PSID.
Okay, well, how do I know when a new PSID is released?
When a new PSID is released, New Boundary Technologies sends an email to the primary contact of each of our customers to notify them of the newest PSID release.
Can we update the PSID in our current channel?
Yes, we can. So let us close the Prism console, and I have downloaded the newest release for the PSID.
Which I assume you got from the email that we notified you with.
Indeed I did. So let's run it. Now, even after the Install Shield wizard has finished, we still want to give the product approximately 2 minutes per channel that the Prism server is hosting, because the SQL database is still in the process of updating the PSID. Now, additionally, another piece of information to know is that you want to run the PSID update on the machine that is hosting the Prism server application, in the case where your database server is a separate remote machine. You don't want it to run on the database server, but the application server.
Well, let's check that build number out.
So now when we check the channel properties and asset management, we now see that the knowledge base version that we are running is 115.01.0.1.
This is our video about Prism Asset Manager's PSID, or Prism Software Identification Database. Our next video will also talk about Prism Suite's asset management components.